Why does DHT not build muscle, despite having a tighter binding affinity than testosterone to the androgen receptor? A key reason for this is how DHT is produced and metabolized in the body. Testosterone serves as a circulating prohormone that can be converted to DHT by the 5-alpha reductase enzyme. This enzyme is abundantly expressed in certain tissues like the prostate, skin, scalp, penis, and liver. However, research shows that muscle has little to no 5-AR expression or activity. So because of the lack of the 5-AR enzyme within muscle, little to no DHT ends up inside muscle cells, and testosterone remains as the primary androgen. As mentioned previously, DHT is mostly converted at localized tissues, so very little actually ends up circulating in your bloodstream. Even when the small amount of circulating DHT does enter muscle cells, it faces a second major challenge. Enzymes such as 3-alpha-hydroxysteroid dehydrogenase rapidly convert DHT into far weaker androgenic metabolites, essentially entirely neutralizing DHT's ability to act on androgen receptors and activate growth-related pathways. We don't just have mechanistic data that proves my claims. Trials showing men using 5-AR inhibitors, which nuke DHT, have no changes in muscle mass as compared to placebo. In fact, DHT is so ineffective for muscle growth that blocking its production may actually enhance muscle mass. When you take a 5-alpha reductase inhibitor like finasteride, less testosterone is converted into DHT. This means more testosterone remains available in the bloodstream, which is a true anabolic hormone, and actually causes muscle growth. If you want to transform yourself and access all my knowledge, I now offer coaching as well as sourcing. Go to willyenhancements.shop if you're interested. Also, if you learned anything from this video and found it useful, a like would be appreciated. I don't use ChatGPT to make my videos like many other creators do, so it takes me hours to research, write, and edit.